Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So we are at Circuit of the Americas at Cars and Coffee, super early in the morning. It's kind of humid outside, so the lens is a little foggy, so disregard that if you do kind of see a little bit of haziness in the video. But right off the bat, we got a Mercedes SLS AMG as well as an SLS GT3. So let's go ahead and check these out. And both of these SLSs are absolutely incredible, but obviously owning like an actual GT3 car would be an insane dream. But you can look at the engine differences. Like, these things are crazy. You have like all this extra stuff right up in the front. When you look over at the GT3, like, you have this crazy intake that comes in, and then you have this massive radiator that sits down in there, and then you have the giant hole in the hood. This thing is crazy. I'm a sucker for louvered fenders. You also have like the center lock wheels, but obviously the inside of a race car is very gutted out, one seat, but that carbon fiber looks insane, especially like the steering wheel and everything. Man, then you compare it to like the actual like street regular like SLS, and this thing is beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous. And then of course you got the gull wing doors on both. These are full carbon fiber doors, which looks so cool. But man, look at all that carbon. Like, I cannot imagine like how crazy this thing would actually be to have on a track. But yeah, ultimate dream car right here. An SLS would be amazing, but an SLS GT3 is just insane. But let me go ahead and show you guys that steering wheel up close. So I'm here pretty early, so there's still like a lot of cars pulling in. There's a lot of empty spots. We're gonna go ahead and check out. There's a Ferrari F8 as well as like a Lamborghini Urus, Porsche 911 GT2 RS, beautiful 720S in purple. But right now it's kind of overcast, so that's kind of good for like not getting shadows in a lot of the shots. But some of the colors just aren't popping as much as when like the sun's hitting it directly. But we're still gonna go ahead and check these out. Alright guys, this sounded absolutely insane. And the crazy part about that is the exhaust comes right out behind the front wheel. So the exhaust is not very long at all coming off that huge V8. But wow, the thing sounded incredible. Got some good pops. My ears are kind of ringing a little bit, but man, that was insane. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of that, because to me, like, that was beautiful. So this RCF is absolutely insane. This is all factory options. It has like that kind of satin matte paint on it, which looks incredible. The engine's looking so good. But if you notice, the hood's actually forged carbon, but the top side is just like the regular carbon fiber weave, which all that is factory, and it looks so amazing, especially like with this kind of like satin blue paint. Got carbon fiber down here on the trim, got carbon fiber side skirts. And then the interior is just absolutely gorgeous. Got like a darker blue on the inside. Also finished with carbon fiber trim everywhere, which kind of has like a blue tint to it as well. But this thing is like just like the perfect spec of an RCF. Got kind of like the blue tinted exhaust tips, which look really good. Carbon fiber center diffuser, but then this wing right here is absolutely insane. Carbon fiber, and if you notice in the weave right there, you can kind of see like that F. But this thing is just absolutely insane. Also, can't forget to mention the carbon fiber roof, but wow, like. So I'm just walking around and I see like the hood is sticking up of a Toyota Supra that looks absolutely insane, and I recognize it as Paul, so definitely go check out his social media because he has some pretty awesome cars and his Supra is insane. So check this out. Alright guys, so there's a Ferrari F 355 challenge that showed up, and this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Like a lot of these older Ferraris have like significantly different styles, but this one is beautiful. Check it out. We filmed it rolling in, got some really good audio of it, and now we're going to do like a little walk around, check it out. But already there's a lot of really cool features, such as like this rear window is actually like curved. It starts right there and it kind of curves around, goes across the back, and then curves back on this side. Detachable steering wheel because race car, and yeah, this thing's gorgeous. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so we got Martin right here. He has some he has a really awesome channel. Has all kinds of awesome content. You're up here in Austin, so you get like way different content than I do most of the times. Yes, unless we go to meets like this together. But his channel is going to be right here on the screen, so go ahead and check it out. There's also going to be a link in the description down below, so definitely go check out his channel. He's got awesome car content, so definitely go subscribe to his channel. And like almost daily content, right? With like shorts and everything. Daily shorts. I try to put out as much as I can, and with all these meets, I'm trying to put out so much more content for you guys, and I hope y'all like everything because these cars are so insane, and I hope y'all like all the content going on my channel right here. Oh, his content's awesome. He has like a lot of drift events he's gone to, and some of those videos are just super epic, so definitely go check those out. Yep, thank you. Alright, so it's been like a little cloudy this entire time, which is actually really good for pictures because you don't get like a lot of the shadows in the cars. However, the sky over here is looking pretty ominous and it's coming this way. So we'll see if it actually starts dumping rain or if it just moves on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming more cars just in case it does start raining and people leave. But yeah, there are so many awesome cars here, but let's go check them all out, or at least as many as we can. So there's a Mustang that's pretty much like raised up, has wide fenders, and it actually looks pretty crazy. It's like an off-road build, but this thing looks incredible. It's actually done really, really well. But let me go ahead and show you guys. guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here, but there's so many awesome cars. A lot of cars are heading out, and I don't want to get caught up in like a huge line of traffic trying to get out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end it right here. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and other awesome car content, and a lot more to come with my Lexus IS. It's gonna get a full new wrap and some other modifications coming soon. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.